I'm tired na ako lagi yung may kasalanan. Na lagi na lang akong nagpapakumbaba para matapos yung turuan. Na kailangan ko laging akuin yung mali para matapos lang. Sawa na akong humingi ng tawad para lang hindi mauwi sa hiwalayan. Ako si Sarah at oras na para magkaroon ako ng self-respect. My love, yan ang ikatlo sa ating tatlong storya na may isang tema. Sabi ko nga sa inyo sa simula ng programa, we do stupid things for love. We try to hold on as much as we can because we want to see it through. Kadalasan bumibitaw tayo kapag walang-wala na, kapag sagad na, kapag said na yung pasensya natin. Not because wala na tayong pagmamahal, but because andun na tayo sa point na feeling natin wala na tayong ibubuga pa. Na we can no longer forgive. We can no longer be patient. And it's scary for us to see what type of a person will we be if hindi pa natin ihihinto yung relationship. For those people na hanging on sa relasyon kasi they want to see if that person will ever change for them. Hang on as long as you want. Hang on as long as you can. Pero when you start losing yourself because you are scared of getting hurt, please let go. Kasi I am telling you, my love, it is more painful to hold on in a relationship that's no longer gonna work than to let it go. We think moving on is difficult. It's painful. And I'm not gonna say na it's not because it is. Mahirap siya, masakit. Parang you question your worth from time to time while you are moving on. Especially when you have given almost everything you've got in that relationship. Pero if it's not it, if it's not the relationship, no matter how hard you push, no matter how much you give, how hard you try, it's never gonna work. So if you're starting to lose your self-respect sa relationship na yon, to the point na you no longer value your own well-being, kasi inuuna mo na yung kanya, or tinatanggap mo na lahat ng masasakit na ginagawa at ibinibigay niya sa'yo. To the point na kapag tinitignan ka ng mga magulang mo, wala ka ng lie, wala ka ng kasinungalingang masabi. Kapag tinatanong niya kayo or nila kayo ng, how is your relationship going? You can no longer lie for this person because you've told them so many lies already. And the most painful lie you ever told them was, yeah, I'm happy. My love, kapag umabot ka na dun sa point na yun, let go. That's your sign. That's your mark. Now, this is the end of this relationship. Pretending is only good as long as ang niloloko mo lang ay yung people around you. But if you're starting to fool yourself too, that's your sign to stop. My love, we can lose ourselves in a relationship sometimes. Ina-alter natin yung ugali natin, yung mannerism natin, yung behavior natin just to fit. Yung sa partner natin, we adjust, we compromise. That's what we do when we are in a relationship. But if you can no longer recognize the person you've become sa relationship na yon, then that's how you know that you are losing not only yourself, but your self-respect as well. Let go of a relationship like that. Let go of a relationship that makes you question your worth, that makes you question who you are, that makes you question and doubt every decision you make. Let go of that relationship. Kasi ang isang relasyon, yung totoong relasyon, ay may respeto sa isa't isa. May pagpapahalaga sa opinyon ng isa't isa. May pag-aalaga yan sa nararamdaman ng isa't isa. Kumbaga, sa rule ng environment, a relationship must be symbiotic. Pareho kayong nakikinabang, hindi isang side lang. And if your relationship is not like that, then let go, my love. Again, it is more painful to hold on to a relationship that's already dead than to let it go. Claro? Claro.